Climb inside the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.